In this program, when I press button A, random points with random brightness will be plotted continuously. This process will not stop even if I press button B to clear the screen, because this condition here is always true. The while loop is always true. So this while loop will not end, even if I press button B to clear the screen. If you want to stop the plotting, then we need to have some way to change this value from true to false. Because if you want to change the value, then you have to use a variable. So we need to create a new variable. So let's say we make a variable called it play. And then when we press button A, we set play to true. Okay, play is true, and then we need to replace this condition here by the variable play. If play is true, then the while loop will execute these blocks. But if play is false, these blocks will not be executed. So here, when I press button A, play is true. Because play is true, then the points will be plotted like this. If you want to stop the plots, then you need to change the value of play to false. So let's say if I press button B, I will stop the plots. Then when I press button B, I need to change the content of play from true to false. So when I press A, play is true. So because this is true, the points will be plotted. When I press button B, it stops, because when I press button B, play becomes false, and this is false. Then these blocks will not be executed. I press A again, play will become true, so the plot continues. Press B, stops. Press A, plots. Press B, stops.